Hi, I'm Eco Chef Bryan and I'm going to teach you how to make a green smoothie. It's also called a veggie smoothie. So these are healthy and delicious, and you should be making these every day. It'll keep you really balanced, peak performance, and it's the most optimal smoothie possible. Now I'm going to show you how to make it super delicious. So first, you're going to add some water, about 2 to 3 cups, into your blender. Now whatever blender you have is fine. This one's a high-powered one, so it'll make it really smooth and delicious. So add about 3 cups of water, and then for our greens, I like to use kale because it has so many nutrients. Kale is a superfood, and always get all of your ingredients raw and organic. So I'm going to chop some kale. You can also use your hands, drop it in there, get it fresh. And then I also like to use dandelion greens. Now these are raw organic dandelion greens. They're a little bit bitter, but they have a lot of vitamins and minerals, and it helps to detox you. That's the whole point of green smoothies and veggie smoothies, is to detox your body and then build it back up with super nutrition and health benefits. So now that I have the greens in there, we're going to want to add some bananas because you want to make it so that it tastes good. Now these ingredients are normally so healthy you don't usually use them. So to make it sweeter or better tasting, we're going to use your favorite fruits like bananas, apples, and pears. So I'm going to drop 1 banana in there, also a pear. Now you can make it without the fruits too, but it's just not as delicious. With the fruits, it makes it creamier, smoother, sweeter, more delicious, so you're going to enjoy it a lot more. Because some people make green smoothies and they say, oh, I can't really handle the taste. That's because they're not adding the fruits. So we have that, and then we're going to put also an apple. Now you could add more bananas and make it creamier, and in the next video I'll show you how to make it creamy with bananas, avocados, and coconut oil. But in this one I'm just going to put some fruit, and I also like to add an orange. It'll give you that vitamin C, and it'll add more fruit flavor to it. And then we're going to blend it in just a few seconds, and then you're going to have an amazing green veggie smoothie. Some people just call it a green smoothie as well. So now that you have all your ingredients in there, and you can also use your favorite sweetener. I have coconut nectar, but we're just going to blend it as is with the fruit and the greens. You want to blend it until it's really smooth. Now you can use your favorite greens. I recommend kale and dandelion. You can also use Swiss chard. Also, I almost forgot cilantro. Cilantro is really good because it'll detox your body of metals and heavy metals. So we have some cilantro, and I'm going to add some really quickly. Always try to use cilantro in your smoothies because it'll detox you of metal, and there's metal in the blender, so it makes sense to have some cilantro. And it tastes really good, and it's more green foods. So we added some cilantro. So this is your basic green smoothie or veggie smoothie. In a few more videos, I'm going to teach you how to make it more nutritional, how to make it a recovery smoothie, how to make it creamy, smoother, but I just showed you how to make the basic ones so you could vary the ingredients and recipes. Now you always want to switch it out so your body doesn't get used to it. So add your favorite greens and fruits and vegetables and do it differently each time. So now that we have the smoothie, we're going to pour it into our favorite glass. And enjoy.